Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to disable autoplay in your Google Play Store in your Android phone. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to open my Play Store, and here I will see the upper line. Simply click over there, and then you will find here settings section. Simply click here setting, and you can appear here to choose autoplay video. This is only available on the Google Play Store new updates, so maybe you are also available. So simply click here autoplay video, and then you can choose here don't autoplay video, and then you can simply click here done. From now, if any video I want to play in Play Store, that's not going to play. Maybe you want to return back autoplay, you can do so same way. Go on Play Store, click this icon, and then click setting, and here click autoplay video. You can choose autoplay video over Wi-Fi only. If you want, you can simply choose that, and you can simply click here done. So this is how you can easily enable or disable autoplay video in Google Play Store. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.